Dear friends, today we will discuss about the country Israel, not in detail but briefly. Israel is a country that makes most of the world's decision. It's also control the governments of different countries. Most of decision by Israel and yes, controls world politics also. All the Nobel Prize to be awarded, the majority belongs to the Jewish, about two Nobel Prizes, which is the part of Muslims, otherwise Nobel Prizes goes to Israelis. All aspects of life such as engineering, music, science and most of obvious in businesses where nearly 70% of world trade businesses are held by Jews such as cosmetics, fashions, food, arms, hotels and film industries. Dr. Stephen Karleman spent about 3 years in Israel for internship in few hospitals there. It came to his mind about doing thesis research of why the Jews are intelligent. Remember, if you see Israel on map, you may have to put a small dot. Their population is about 8 lakh, but still everyone is successful. Dr. Stephen Karleman's search shows initial preparation of pregnancy. The first thing he noticed is that the pregnant woman would always sing and play piano and would always try to solve mathematical problems together with the husbands, and he was very surprised to see the mother always carries the maths book. Sometimes he would help her to solve some problems. He would ask, "Is this for your child in the womb?" She would answer yes, to train the child still in the womb so that it would be a genius later on. She would solve the problems without let up until the child is born. Another thing he noticed is about the food. She loved to eat almonds and dates with milk. For lunch, she would take bread and fishes without the head, salad mixed with almonds and other nuts. They believed fish is good for the development of brain and the fish's head is bad for the brain. And also it is like the culture of the Jews for pregnant mother to take cod liver oil. They would always eat fruits first before the main meal. They believe if you eat the main meal first, like bread or rice, then fruits, this will make us feel sleepy and difficult to understand any lesson you learn in school. In Israel, smoking is a taboo. If you are their guest, don't smoke in their house. They would politely ask you to go out for a smoke. According to scientists in University of Israel, nicotine would destroy the main cells in our brain, affect the genes DNA, resulting in generations of moron or defective brains. The Jewish child, most of them knew 3 languages: Hebrew, Arabic and English. Since childhood, they would be trained in playing piano and violin. It is a must. Accordingly, it is believed that this practice will increase the IQ of the child and will make him a genius. And to Jewish scientists, the vibration of music would stimulate the brain. That's why there are a lots of geniuses among the Jews. Since grade 1 to 6, they would be taught businesses, maths, and science subjects be their first preference. For comparison, he could see the child in California, their IQ is about 6 years back, and Jewish child were also involved in athletes such as archery, shooting, and running. Accordingly, it is believed that archery and shooting would make the brains more focused on decision and precision. In high school, students are more inclined to study science. They would create products, indulge in all sorts of project. Although some looks very funny or unless, but all attention is given seriously, especially if it is ornaments, medicines or engineering. The idea will be introduced in higher institute in polytechnics or universities. Business facility will be given their more preference. In the last of the university, the students in businesses would be given a project and practically they can only pass if their group, about 10 in a group, can make profit of 1 million US dollar. Don't be surprised, this is the reality and it is why half of the business in the world is held by the Jews. Who designed the latest Levi's? It is being designed in Israel University by the Facility of Businesses and Fashion. Have you seen them how they prayed? They always shake their head. Accordingly, they believe this action will stimulate and provide more oxygen to the brain. In New York, the commercial trading center for the Jewish are based in New York, catering for the Jews only. If they had any beneficial idea, their committee will give free interest loan and will make sure the business prospers. Due to this, Starbucks, Dell Computer, Coca-Cola, Disney, Oracle's, Levi's, Dunkin's, Leonard, Hollywood Film and hundreds other businesses were under their sponsorship. May all of us be in peace and succeeded in producing a future generation of genius for the betterment of humankind, no matter who are you.